Welcome to RS Kids Art. Hello kids, today we are drawing dog and dog house drawing step by step. Let's start. We'll make a beautiful dog and dog house drawing. Wait for end. We complete dog drawing. We complete dog and dog house drawing. Let's enhance little bit. Now fill the colors. Red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, blue color, violet color, brown color, pink color, mehendi color, sea green color, we complete dog and dog house drawing with colors. Thanks for watching.